Hello guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is me, Lermabian Vlogs. Sa mga hindi pa po nakapag-subscribe sa aking channel, please don't forget to like, share, and click the notification bell para ma-notify kayo sa aking latest video. Today's vlog is about sa email na pinadala sa akin ni Lolo about sa tax at kung paano mag-register. Sa mga hindi pa po nakapag-register dyan, mga ka-small YouTuber, panoorin nyo ito. Ayan guys, punta na tayo sa Google AdSense. And punta tayo sa payment. Makikita nyo po yung naka-red. Action require all YouTube creator and partner submit your tax information to ensure that any applicable taxes on your payment are accurate. I-click po natin to. Manage tax info. Provide or update your tax information, your payment profile and country. Determine how your taxes are collected, withheld, and reported. Makikita natin sa baba yung add tax info. I-click po natin. At i-enter natin yung ating password sa ating email. And next. United States tax. To find the right tax form, please answer a question first. The IRS, the U.S. tax authority required that tax information be reported in letters A and Z or numbers for accented character. Use the letter only such and for E or E for A. Ayan. Y type of account is, of course, individual. And next, are you citizen or resident of the United States? I-click natin yung no. And next, select W8 tax form type based on your previously selected answer. W8 form is needed. I-click po natin yung 8E and B. This form is most commonly used by non-US individual and would also be used to claim to tax treaty benefits. I-click po natin yan. And makikita natin sa baba ang start W8 bin form. Ayan, yung pangalawang form natin. Loading siya. Ayan. Ilalagay natin dito yung ating name individual. Ayan, nakalagay na sa akin. And then, country citizenship. Hanapin natin yung Philippines. And then, wag na natin pansinin tong foreign 10 and then yung USI 10 or SSN. Ayan. I-click natin yung next. Oh, I forgot. Make sure po yung ilalagay natin yung YouTube account natin. And then, we click ang next. Bin tax form. Tax identity. Ayan na siya. And then address. I-click natin yung ating address. Permanent resident address, PO box, or in care of address, you will be required to submit additional documents. I-click natin yan. Philippines. Ilalagay ko dito yung aking address. Ayan. And then, postal address is same for permanent address. Email address, i-click natin. And click the next. Ayun pala, hindi ko pa nalagay. Quezon City. And next, i-click natin. Ayan na po yung ating form. Tax identity. Make sure na parehas yung address nyo. And then, tax treaty, are you claiming a reduced rate of withholding under a tax treaty? U.S. tax law and many at ito naman guys yung tax treaty, are you claiming a reduced rate of withholding under a tax treaty? Ayan, ang ating pong ang sasagutin natin dito ay no, because as tax law may impose of 30% withholding tax on payment that are considered U.S. source income. This is tax may be reduced for unlimited for any payee that qualified under a relevant tax treaty. Ayan po ang ating i-click, yung no, kasi hindi naman tayo resident ng US. Ayan. And then, i-click natin yung next. Ayan, dito naman pa tayo sa document previews. There is how your document will be generated, review the PDF and confirm your confirmation. Make sure po na lahat ng ating pinilapan ay the same sa ating mga information para po ma-confirm natin. Kaya guys, make sure na tama yung inyong mga information. Dito na po tayo ha. I-click natin po itong I confirm that I have reviewed the generated tax documented to the best of any knowledge and believe that they are true, correct, and complete. Ayan, i-check natin. Ito na po yung information na na-fill upan natin. Kaya i-click na natin ulit ang next. Ayan guys, dito na tayo sa certification. Under penalties of perjury, I declare that I have examined that information on this form into the best of my knowledge and believe it is true, correct, and complete. A further certified under penalties of perjury that, ayan, mahaba-haba yan, basahin na lang natin guys. Ayan, so masisipag magbasa dyan, magbasa-basa na. And then guys, your signature. Ilalagay po natin dito yung ating full name. And then, are you the person listed in the signature section? Of course, i-click natin yung yes, I am the person listed in the signature section and on completing this form on form on my own behalf. Ayan, i-click natin. And then, i-click natin yung next. Ayun guys, dito na tayo sa activities and services form performed on US and affidavit. Activity services performed in the US has the individual or entitled identified in the tax identity section performed by any activities and services for the Google within the US. Of course, hindi naman tayo po taga-US. Ang i-click po natin dito ay no. Ayan. And then po, i-click natin tong box na to. Ito. Ayan. 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 Dito na tayo sa status change of affidavit. Are you providing tax info for a new or existing payment profile that has received payment or insistent payment profile that has previously received payment? I am providing tax info for the new or existing payment or profile that hasn't received payment. I am providing tax info for existing payment profile that has previously received payment. Ang i-click po natin guys, ito po, yung pangalawa po. I-click natin yan. And then, i-click natin tong box na to. for change. Ayan. And then, makita natin sa baba yung submit. I-click natin. Ayan guys, sana nakatulong sa inyo. Ayan, kitang-kita nyo na-approve na ating yung in-apply. Ayan, submit 11 March 2021. Ayan. Ganun lang po kadali yung ating pag fill up. Sana po nakatulong ako sa inyo kahit papaano. Maraming salamat po. At mag-subscribe na po kayo sa aking channel. Maraming salamat po.